Welcome back. We are on the topic percentages. In the previous video, we solved a question on increasing a quantity by a given percentage. In this video, we are going to learn how to decrease a quantity by a given percentage. Decreasing a quantity by a percentage. Let's say that we have a quantity A and we want to decrease A by X%. How do we go about this? There are two methods here. The first method is that you find X% of A and then you subtract it from A. X% of A is equal to X divided by 100 times A. So if you want to decrease A by X%, the first thing you need to do is to find X% of A, that is X divided by 100 times A. After that, you subtract it from A. It means that if we decrease A by X%, we are going to have A minus X divided by 100 times A. This is the first method. For the second method, what you have to do is that you subtract X from 100. So you have 100 minus X. Then you divide this by 100. So 100 minus X divided by 100. After that, you multiply it by A. So you have 100 minus X divided by 100 times A. So if you use the second method, then if we decrease A by X%, we are going to have 100 minus X divided by 100 times A. Let's apply this to solve a question. Let's say that we want to decrease 720 by 20%. Let's consider the first method. We have learned that if you want to decrease A by X%, we are going to have A minus X divided by 100 times A. So if you want to decrease 720 by 20%, you are going to have 720 minus 20% of 720. That is 20 divided by 100 times 720. And this will give us 720 minus 144, which is 576. This means that if we decrease 720 by 20%, we are going to have 576. Let's consider the second method. For the second method, we know that if we want to decrease A by X%, we are going to have 100 minus X divided by 100 times A. So if we are applying that here, then if we decrease 720 by 20%, we are going to have 100 minus 20 divided by 100 times 720. And this will give us 80 divided by 100 times 720, which is 576. So it's the same as we got when we used the first method. So if we decrease 720 by 20%, you are going to have 576. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on decreasing a quantity by a given percentage. Bye-bye.